Today, I'm going to show you guys how to get your iPhones all ready for the new iOS 13 update. So let's get to it. What's up everyone, it's Jason here with Red Bee Labs, bringing you amazing tech unboxing and reviews. If you're new to the channel, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos that I release. Apple officially released iOS 13. Thank you. I've been on the beta for a while and it's hard to talk to people and start rambling off features and they're looking at you like, what in the world are you talking about? But anyway guys, my favorite feature so far is dark mode. I love dark mode. I'm going to have a full review of all the iOS 13 features and that will be dropping very soon. So please, if you haven't already, subscribe and click that notification bell. Okay guys, I put together a list of 4 steps that will get you all ready to go. So step 1, check compatibility. These devices will run on iOS 13, iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro, iPhone 11 Pro Max, iPhone XS, iPhone XS Max, iPhone XR, the iPhone X, iPhone 8, iPhone 8 Plus, iPhone 7, iPhone 7 Plus, iPhone 6s, iPhone 6s Plus, the iPhone SE, and the iPod Touch 7th generation. So you got to kind of give it to Apple. I mean, they did a really good job going back and just making sure that all of the older devices were able to get updated. I mean, no slight to Android. I'm just saying you got to give credit where credit is due. Step 2, check your storage. Okay, get your phone, unlock your phone. You want to tap on settings, scroll till you see general, and then tap it. Tap phone storage, and from here you can see how much storage you have and which apps are taking up the most space. Just scroll till you see an app you want to delete, tap on the app, and then click the delete button. Once you have freed up some space, you are ready to go. Step 3, backup. I recommend this for everyone all the time. Make sure your iPhone is backed up every night. I know it seems like overkill, but you do not want something to happen to your phone and you don't have a backup to restore to a new phone that you get. So we want to grab our phone again, unlock the phone, tap on settings, tap your profile pic at the top, scroll till you see iCloud and tap it, scroll till you see iCloud backup and tap that. From here you should make sure that your iCloud backups are on. If not, then turn them on. If iCloud backups were already on, you should look at the bottom and see the last time that it was backed up to make sure you have an update backup. If iCloud backups were not on, then just click the backup to create your first backup. And now you're all backed up and ready to go to the next step. Step 4, install iOS 13. iOS 13 will be delivered via an over-the-air update. Now you can plug it into iTunes and get the update as well, but I just prefer over-the-air. Make sure your device is fully charged and connected to Wi-Fi before you start the update. You do not want to be, start the update process and then it's like, plug it into a charger. Then you got to run and find a charger. You're going to make sure you're connected to the Wi-Fi. It's just a thing. Before you go, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I hope it helped a lot of you with getting ready to update to iOS 13. If it did, please smash that like button and leave me a comment or two. It really helps me and the channel out. Okay, as I said before, please be on the lookout for that next video that's coming, which is a full review of iOS 13 and all its features. As always, this is Jason, and I'll catch you in the next one.